Hello guys, welcome to my class. Today we are going to design a 5-story building which I have analyzed in the previous session. Okay, so let's begin. Here is the analyze part or modeling. For design, go to design, go to concrete, select your code. I'm going to select IS 456. Now go to select parameters. I'm going to select clear distance, compressive strength, yield strength, and maximum percentage of longitudinal reinforcement allowed. Now this is new, so watch it carefully. Okay, now select this and select OK. Now define the parameter clear distance. For beams, the clear distance will be 25 mm. In meter it will be 0.025 and for the column it will be 40 mm. It will be 0.040 meter. And now compressive strength will be 20,000. Okay, and FY mean will be 415,000. And the ratio, maximum percentage of longitudinal reinforcement allowed. For the beam it will be 1.5%, and for column it will be 2%, and close. Now for beam clear distance 0.025. For selecting the beams, go to select beam parallel to x-axis, again select beam parallel to z-axis, go to top view. For selecting these beams, press Ctrl from your keyboard. Now select these beams, go to isometric view. You can see all the beams are selected. Now go to assign to selected beams and assign S. Okay, now for the column, then go to select beam parallel to y-axis, then assign to selected beams, assign S. FC will go to the whole structure. For that it goes to assign to view, assign yes. Similarly, if I mean assign to view, assign yes, and the ratio 1.5 is for the beams. For that go to selecting the beams. For that go to select beam parallel to X and beam parallels to Z. Again go to top view, select these beams. Okay, then click on assign to selected beams, assign yes. Then for 2% still, it goes to the column. For that go to select beam parallel to Y and assign to selected beams, assign yes. Now all the parameters are given into the structure. Now go to comments, select design beam and design column, add, close. Select design beam, go to have to select the beams. For that go to select beam parallel to X, select beam parallels to Z, go to top view, again select these beams, then select assign to selected beams, assign yes. Now for columns, select design column and select the column. For that go to the beams parallel to y-axis, assign to selected beams, assign yes. Now you have to analyze it. For that go to comment, analyze, perform analyze, no print, OK, analyze, run analyze, save. It will take some second. If there is no error, your design is okay. You can see there are 10 warning. Let's see what are the warning. For then go to view output file. It will take some second for load the reports. Now go to warning. Now warning, this warning is nothing but so what is the warning? Select these beams and these beams and go to go to view select option only, go to isometric view and select the beam numbers. For that go to shift B from your keyboard. You can see this 46 beam, now 47, and these are the warning 46. See why STAAD Pro give the warning? Because STAAD Pro thinks this beam are not connected. These beams are not connected, but in practically this beam is single. In STAAD Pro this beam are not single, these are two, but practically it will be one. That's why the warning. Okay, go to result, concrete design, and these are the report. Okay, you can see the stirrups, you can see the bottom reinforcement, the top reinforcement. Okay, all the reports are here. Or you can double click on the column, you can see the concrete design. These are the bars, 8 long bar, 12 mm for beam, 6 long 10 mm bar, top reinforcement, bottom reinforcement 4 long 10 mm bar, and stirrup is 40 long 8 mm bar, 140 mm center to center distance. Okay, so these are the designs, the reinforcement. You can check the axial force, bending on the Z, okay. Deflection, so the deflection, bending, beam stress, bending at Y, so our design is done. You can see the reports for different condition, but we take the worst condition, okay, for the design. So that's it. This is how you can design a 5-story building in STAAD Pro. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. If you have any problem, comment on my video. Okay.